So under storage, what we need to do? We need to install what? iSCSI target server install करना है. Next. Where you will get the target server? You are going to get in file and storage service. You can see it is already in black. Some box is there. But expand this. Then you are going to get file and iSCSI services. Expand it. Go down, you will see something called iSCSI target server. Select this. Then next, install. Recording started, no?
Yes, sir.
If recording is not started, don't ask for repeat. I will not do it. But
So can you tell overall everything, every topic, ADDS, what is ADDS, DNS, DHCP, what is
this is
only topics?
Oh, you are saying something. Okay. I didn't know. Done.
Not visible, sir.
Not visible.
Yeah, Zoom, don't sit at home.
Now
Zoom చేయమని
Yes, sir.
ఓకే నో ఇట్స్ ఓకే కాదురా రోడ్కి జూమ్ చేయమని
close.
ఏమనంటే
Installed. Now next step, what we need to do? We need to create 3 virtual hard drives.
yes
Correct? 3 virtual hard drive from whom? From my main disk's hard drive. We need to create it and to distribute to nodes. Correct? So go to file and storage services. Here can you see iSCSI? ISCSI. Click on that. So here you are going to create virtual disk. So either you click on this or you can go from task. Jahan marji. So click. You will get something like this. यहीं पे मेरे को confusion. Next, from where you need to take, you want to take the storage. It may be C drive, D drive, E drive, whatever you want. So I am taking the C drive because it's only there. Next, virtual disk name. What will the disk name? Let's say disk 1. Next, how much you want to provide? 5 GB, 2 GB, whatever you want. Make it as fixed size. Or if you want dynamically expanding, at that time you need to have a good amount of storage. That means if it gets full also, it will automatically expand itself. We don't want, we will just go with the fixed. Next. Now it's asking.
dynamic
Next. कोई problem नहीं है. We are not storing some big files, but you need to have a good amount of hard drive. Now it's asking iSCSI target. Which is the target?
this
So I need to create a target first. So next, target name and access. Target name कौन सा था? अच्छा, give storage. Let's see. Next. Okay, target name, give node 1. Where I want to send those hard drives. Node 1. Next, add IP address. Node 1's IP is what? 10.0.0.2. Click on OK. Next, sorry, previous. Add it one more. That is node 2. दिमाग में कभी कभार चलता रहता है वो लिख देते हैं. Next, okay, done. Next, no need to do anything. Next, create. Done. We need to create how many? How many disks we need to create? 3 disks. One is created. 2 more. New again. Select. Next. Disk 2. 5 GB. Fixed size. Next. We have already created. अच्छा. Node 1. मतलब if you want to give any name, it's not necessary to give node 1. That's why I just tested that. Okay. You can give any name like target server or target VMs, target systems, whatever you want, you can give it. KFC, whatever you want. KFC do download do. Today will be KFC. Yes. So inside this target, you have to attach those IPs. Okay. Don't think like node 1 only I have to write. You can give any name. And we have already created, so we don't have to go with new target. So we have only, so we will take this one. Next, create. Okay. और एक बनाना है. Next, 3, 5, fixed rate. Next, existing only. Next, create. 3 done. उसके बाद कुछ है? कुछ नहीं है. We are done with the storage part now.
Can we create, instead of existing, can we create new one?
If you create new one, if you have any other criteria, you can create it. For example, you need to deploy in some other VMs, but not here. Other system, but not in those systems which is registered. At that time, you can do it. But if you want to do it in an existing one, then why need to create one more? Already there. Alright, so my work from storage part is done. Now what we will do, we'll go to node 1. And there what we need to do? We need to go to iSCSI initiator.
Yes.
To go with the initiator, you need to first start that service, iSCSI service. कैसे करना है? Tools. Can you see here iSCSI initiator? Click on there iSCSI initiator. It will ask you, iSCSI service is not running. You need to click on yes button to start that service. Done. Again go to tools. Then iSCSI initiator. Now it will open. Why? Because service is started. तो उसके बाद on हो जाएगा.
Target name.
Now target. Here what I need to give? KFC. No. I have to assign IP of
Node 1.
storage VM or system. You need to give the secondary IP, not first IP. Management IP you don't have to assign here. Failover plus जो secondary IP which is you have given, that one you need to assign. Then only it will show up. If you give private, that your management, it will not show up. So here you can see login succeeded. Go to done. Now next, go to volumes and drives. Click on auto configure. Can you see 3 drives are Visible?
Yes, sir.
बस हो गया, काम खत्म. Click on OK. Now, if I go here, is there any drives? I just attached no drives, right?
Yes, sir.
Go to disk management. Can you see 3 drives?
Yes, sir.
Now it's written offline. We need to make it. Make it. Now what? We need to do what? It's not initialized. We need to initialize. So initialize disk. Automatically it will take all 3. Just click on. Done. अभी क्या करना है?
Attach करना है.
अभी बस
Next.
यही करना है. Right click, new simple volume. Next, done. Then see its hard drive is created.
Yes.
Next. Now if I go and check, you can see 3 drives as created. ये होता है इसका. This is done. Now I have told that in node 1 whatever we are going to do, we need to do it for node 2 also. So or node 3 or whatever is there. So in node 2 also we will follow the same step. But we don't have to follow so long. This is very good for in iSCSI. In one side if you have done the configuration, सबको नहीं करना पड़ता. Just make it online, it will be up. Now in here, no hard drives. In node 1 we have done so many configuration online, initialize so many things. Now we don't have to do it. We just make to online. Oh, यहाँ पे है नहीं. We need to go to iSCSI initiator. वो मुझे करना ही है. It will again ask to start a service. Start. Initiator. IP of storage. Connected. Done. Volume and devices. Auto configure. Click on OK. Now if I go to disk management, सब कुछ ready रहेगा. Everything will be ready. See. Just I need to make online. Automatically coming. No, wait. Done. Now if I go and see done. इसके बाद क्या है? We need to install failover cluster. So install in both. Manage, add roles and features. Next. The feature है. Here you go, failover clustering. Tick. Add features. Next. Install. Same, we need to do it for
Second
node 2. Add roles and features. Next. In feature, failover clustering. Add features. Next. रुको थोड़ा इंस्टॉल होने दो.
This
So
is
sorry.
reduces.
Eight ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
Then fail out. Then validation. Then page.
This is the only person.
Eight ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತು.
What are you doing? Aim is what?
Eight ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
What are you seeing?
No. ಏನು? Next word ಏನು?
Banana.
Banana.
In the mind is scan.
Psychologist.
What are you thinking? What are you saying? Why are you seeing?
అన్ని అద్దవి చన్నీ చెప్తాం. Except that. Except that.
Then I know. What are you doing? What are you drinking?
ఏం కొడిస్ತೀಯా?
ఏం కుడిస్తీయా?
నేను ఇచ్చినాను. నాకేం తీసుకున్నాను.
What you taken or what you given?
What will you do?
What you will eat?
To eat.
To eat.
Always.
Apples.
Finally you got it.
Banana soup. He told that one only. He told that one only. Apples.
I don't eat banana. I don't know.
Okay,
Like
Sunday.
from childhood.
You will come Sunday. Then we will do Sunday.
Do it. Enjoy.
You will not eat on Friday.
No. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Monday, Tuesday.
Wow. Then don't eat on Sunday and next also.
No, sometimes I won't eat on Sunday, Wednesday.
మీ రూమ్ లో వేసుకున్నాను సంతో
ఎవరు చదువుతాను నేను?
వీళ్ళందరూ సంతో
అవునా? పుష్ప? Are you killing him?
What?
Are you killing him?
ఫర్ బిర్యానీ.
No. Who said? I don't want biryani.
వాట్ యు వాంట్?
I don't want anything.
క్లాస్
I simply asked, that's it. I'm just kidding.
ఓ
I don't want anything.
Okay. If you ask anytime, you don't want anything, that's it.
I'm just simply asking. What did you say?
కదా ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు నిజంగా అదేం చెప్పరు.
So,
నువ్వు ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు నిజంగా మీయే. నేను చేసి వాళ్ళ బయట తీసి
చేద్దాం బాబు మీ రూమ్ పోయి. నువ్వు రెడీ చెప్తున్నా.
నువ్వు రెడీ, నేను రెడీగా లేను.
అది
అదే ప్రాబ్లం.
అంటే నీ వల్ల ఆగిపోతుంది.
నా వల్ల కాదు, కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వల్ల అయిపోతాను. నేనేం చేయడానికి
గురువారం ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి ఒక రోజు. ఫస్ట్ విశేష కంప్లీట్ కాదు.
అక్కడ ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలంటే నన్ను
గురువారం ఇంటికంటే గురువారం ఇంటికాడ వెళ్ళాలి.
పక్కన ఎక్కడ సార్ ప్లాన్?
Call sir.
సార్
Hey,
ఫోన్
no,
గో
sir.
బై 3 o'clock.
If it is possible, I will go by 1 only. It is not possible, I will go till. I won't give a shot.
Explaining, motivating someone to join this institute.
Stop now.
Whether you will not eat non-veg, right?
You don't eat egg also. Egg is egg, not
But they won't eat garlic also.
Yes, I don't know.
garlic is very energetic.
I know, but we won't eat. Some Brahmins eat onion
Onion.
and garlic. Some Brahmins eat onion.
Onion is
Onion and
not-
garlic. Some Brahmins they don't eat.
Gongura pachadi problem.
But if I go with the hotels, no, there's no
Gongura
garlic.
Gongura.
You know Gongura? Gongura తెలుసు Gongura.
Do you know Gongura? I mean,
Crazy gongura.
Gongura and don't know Gongura. Gongura ఏమంటారా?
he asking tarkari. Gongura tarkari.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Tarkari.
You don't know Gongura?
If you don't know
I
tarkari
know
structure.
gongura.
Wait, instead of this garlic and onion, most of the people will not eat that gongura tarkari.
Like leaves, gongura leaves.
Yes. That is leaf only, but they will consider as non-veg like that.
Okay.
In every puja, some Ayyappa and Hanuman puja, they will not.
ಪುಂಡಿ ಪುಂಡಿ
ಕೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಗೊಂಗುರ ಕೇಳಿ
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಪುಂಡಿಯ?
Pundi.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್
ನೀವು చూడకಡೆ ಪುಂಡಿ ಅಂತಾవు.
లేదు మా మాస్టర్
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಗೊಂಗುರ
This one.
What is this leaf now?
ಹಾ
they will make this chutney. Chutney is very good.
Very tasty also.
Sweet
Very
very
tasty also.
fast. So that's good.
But
This is very tasty and but some
Coriander.
health-
That's it. You
This is not coriander.
just the curry, coriander,
Pudina.
dantu ಇರ್ತದೆ, no?
Huh?
That's separate.
Dantu.
Will you say?
ಪಾಲಕ್
Palak, that will eat.
Without coriander, I will not make
Anything.
anything.
Oh.
Coriander is mandatory.
I don't know.
Great.
Wow. Today so much of offers is there, na?
Start చేయకు.
Stop చేయలేదు.
అదే మరి మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ చేస్తున్నాం.
అన్నీ చేసినాక.
From Monday. Like this.
Like this.
One time, sir. Sir,
Yes.
We don't know timing, but we don't know timing, sir. 12 o'clock.
After this batch,
Okay, sir.
their batch will finish 11:30 or something, then we'll start.
12 o'clock అంటే
Two
finish
two hours. 2 hours is completed one day.
Hardly 1 hour or 1:30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. See, you have offered 49 rupees offer. Potato wedges and coconut.
in which
McDonald's. But 10 to 1. It's only 1 hour day.
How much?
How much? 49 rupees.
49 rupees. One coconut chip.
వర్షం ఉందా?
Before. First day they will give one burger.
And also veg puffs also there is there. Offer.
How much?
Same 49 rupees. McDonald's.
Can we go?
Is there now? Go. Your money. I'll do it.
Not you.
Yeah.
Now only you told just I'm kidding.
In chicken biryani.
Hello. In chicken biryani, not like that. Money you give, I will eat.
Give me quantity.
Okay, one day we will go.
అదేం గార్మెంట్ రా
Garment.
వెంకటేశ్వర గార్మెంట్
ఎందుకు?
ఉండదు
ఏముంటావు కదా?
థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఉండదు
ఏముంటారా? చెప్పరా నాయనా, నేను చెప్తే
రెండు వర్షాలు ఆయన చెప్పకూడదా?
టీషర్ట్లు కొంటాడు అంటారా నువ్వు
టీ షర్ట్ ఉంటావా? ఇవా స్టాక్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా.
పోతే తెలుస్తుంది
ఎంత లేదు 5 రూపాయలు 10 రూపాయలు.
రూపాయరా?
ఇస్తాను 10 కూడా ఇస్తాను.
మీరా? సార్ ఎట్లా
అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చేస్తాను.
పోదాము, మేము కూడా వస్తాం, మాది కూడా అయిపోయింది.
వెళ్ళిపో మాకు రెండవ
తీసుకో మాకు టైం పడుతుంది.
నువ్వు తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఫోన్ చేయ మాకు. నువ్వు తీసుకో తర్వాత ఫోన్ చేయ మాకు.
ఎంత పడింది?
డబుల్ ఎక్స్ఎల్
అక్కడ
ఏంటి షర్ట్
మీరు తీసుకున్నారు ఇలాంటి
50 రూపాయలు.
అది నిజం చెప్తావా? జోక్ చేస్తావా?
నీ ఇష్టం అబ్బా.
ఎవరితో చెప్తుంది?
5 రూపాయలు
5 rupees.
తీసుకో. నేను డిజైన్ ఇస్తాను. 5 రూపీస్ అక్క?
500 రూపీస్
5 రూపీస్ అంటే 500 రూపీస్.
5000 రూపీస్.
That's 50,000 and 5 lakh.
ఎంత అడుగుతాను?
సార్ ఇట్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్.
నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుందంట.
దేనికి?
చిన్నదా?
నవంబర్ ఫస్ట్ కి నోటిఫికేషన్.
Alright.
30 సెప్టెంబర్ 30 వరకు నిన్న మావాడు చెప్తున్నాను. దీపావళిలోపు అయిపోతుందా? సెకండ్ కౌంట్. సెకండ్ కౌంట్
Very difficult if I zoom.
ఎందుకు?
ఫస్ట్ నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది.
ఈ ఫస్ట్ కి. అవును. నెక్స్ట్
దాంట్లో అన్ని మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు.
అక్టోబర్ 30కి ఎలక్షన్లు, 2వ తారీఖు కౌంటింగ్ రా.
November 2nd.
అది ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఉంటుంది. నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తే అంతా ఉంటుంది దాంట్లో.
Okay, done. अभी क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं करना है. Go to tools. Go to failover cluster manager. Now after that, what step I have given?
Validation, sir.
Validation. That means we need to validate our nodes, whether it is eligible or not. So here you can see validate configuration. Again I have to zoom.
Don't zoom it.
For me it's fine, but for back it's always, you know.
Afterwards, if you see video, it is like this.
See,
So in this side you can see validation configuration.
Okay.
So click on validate configuration.
Accept.
Next, enter name. No need to enter name. Just go to browse. Advanced. Find now. Just give. गलती कर दिया. Let's see it happens or not. The thing is, you have to log in by administrator and do the configuration. But we are in user. Let's see. So node 1 and node 2, can you see? We need to select this both. Because we need to validate these two only. So click OK. Done. Now it's verifying server settings. Done. Node 1, node 2. Next. Run all test. It will test your nodes. Then next. It will start testing. तो बैठे हो थोड़ा एंजॉय करो.
एंजॉय करना सर, पूरा प्रैक्टिस कर.
क्या करोगे प्रैक्टिस करके? क्या ही हो जाएगा प्रैक्टिस होके? कुछ नहीं होगा. ऐसे मैसेज करने से कैसे पता चलेगा मुझे क्या बोल रहे हैं? मैसेज करके वर्चुअल डिस्क कौन सा सर्वर में बनाया है सर? टॉक.
స్టోరేజ్ బ్యాలెన్స్
So sweet corn is only 9 rupees. Sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Only 9 rupees.
Yes.
In Pickly application. Pickly, it says starter. Like with
Everyone is less than fresh.
In Village Fresh also it's 9 rupees.
Then
Sweet corn.
in Pickly, they will give 200 grams of kothmeer for 1 rupee.
वो सब तो ठीक है, उसके बाद टैक्स और डिलीवरी चार्ज
No, sir, no. All are free. All are free. Everything is
9 रुपए.
No.
Yes, sir.
If you order 1 rupee also,
They will deliver.
They will deliver, sir.
Why? Because they want to increase their
No,
business.
Startup company.
Startup.
Sir.
Leaf. It's very.
Coriander is only 1 rupee for 100 grams. It will come 10 days.
ये कितना दिन चलेगा?
No.
In 10 days it will come.
No. This will come now. You can see ad.
और क्या मिलता है इसमें?
सब कुछ मिलता है सर, fruits
Change
वगैरह
slot.
Open by
At which time you want?
ఎంత పెట్టినా తీసుకో.
1 rupee only.
3 delivery charges. Less than price. Everything.
Everything is. Take to your home. You want?
क्या नाम है? Prickly.
In my home, we have market. I will buy it.
For 1 rupee they will give 100 grams
Yes,
of
price.
coriander.
For 10 rupees, I will took 3 kandes like this
How
big
much?
kandes.
10 rupees.
Only 1
Take 3
rupee.
rupees only here.
Oh, big kandes.
Yeah.
Then they give
No,
this
no, no,
much.
no.
This
This much.
This much 1 rupee.
One kante is there this much.
That much only 2 rupees here.
Wow.
Once you tell me. Once you tell me,
Want to
that
take,
you
then
tell.
you can also take.
Once you tell it, then you tell.
See, yeah.
You want this one?
Wow, cycle and.
I think you
That was
have.
really great.
You will watch that.
Cyber
That's
Really
all.
what?
That's all.
I watched
Siraj.
that movie. Yes.
Yeah.
सिराज
But it is not.
BTM में. BTM.
It's not
It's clear. My mobile.
మాకు కూడా ఉంది.
Send me.
కట్ అవుతుందా? ఊరికే వచ్చింది.
అదే, వాళ్ళకి వచ్చి అదే
వాళ్ళు కూడా సరే.
వాళ్ళకి దీనికి వచ్చి కదా, మాకైతే ఖర్చు అవుతుంది.
सिक्योरिटी वाला सीसी ने को ऊपर वाला.
Who is like? It's like
वो शायद सेंसर
That is okay.
that is packing only.
Ah, yes.
मैं सिक्योरिटी में हुई नहीं.
So testing as.
Did you?
मुझे पता ही नहीं थी सिक्योरिटी. मुझे मैं करता ही.
नेతకని వేస్ట్ మూవీ.
Excellent to the cinema.
చూసిన మేము కూడా.
बोल के देखो.
మేము చూసినాం దాన్ని.
అది కథ కంటిన్యూ చూడాలి.
కంటిన్యూస్ గా చూసినాం బాగా. నా కళ్ళు పోతుంది లాస్ట్ బాగా.
See, it's done.
Yes, sir.
So now
Finish.
create a cluster now using the validated nodes. Select, finish. No need to touch. Automatically it will do it. Next step is what? Create cluster. Correct?
Next step is cluster.
Next. What is the cluster name? Whatever you want.
KFC.
Chalo, KFC. Low. Next. What address you want to give to this cluster? Like NLV, we have given a cluster IP. No? Here also we need to give the cluster IP. क्या दिए? 100.
You tell, sir.
12. चलो 12. Next. Done. Add all eligible storage to the cluster. Next. Configure कर देंगे. This you don't have to do. You don't have to go to node 2 and do it. It will configure from one. Any one node you do it. सारे के सारे में कर दे. Failover clustering over.
So Sunday at what time you are tight?
Morning
At what time, sir?
5:20.
Which airport?
In Bangalore only one airport is.
I am.
ये कौन सा सवाल है? यहाँ पे कितने एयरपोर्ट है? एक ही तो एयरपोर्ट है.
I hear 2 airports.
Only one airport is there.
2 एयरपोर्ट है क्या? मैं तो एक ही सुना.
ওটা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে হাজি এয়ারপোর্ট এজিএফ महाकाली सिंह
Sorry.
तो अभी ये एयरपोर्ट कहाँ पे जाना है? केम्पेगौड़ा बंद हो गया.
না না এই প্রোগ্রাম তো ওটা আগেরটা পুরানাটা ওটা
अब पुराना ओल्ड एयरपोर्ट, ओल्ड एयरपोर्ट जो है.
हाँ हेल्थ एजेंट वहाँ पे आता है प्राइवेट टैक्सी ओनली
तो मेरा प्राइवेट जेट है. हैं?
इट क्लोज ड्यू टू एक्सीडेंट
क्या?
6 years. এখন ইয়ারশো হচ্ছে অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়ে গেল बहुत है
सिर्फ प्राइवेट है, मेरा प्राइवेट जेट
In
नहीं है।
Hyderabad also we have 2 airports.
बोला अंबानी को देने के लिए प्राइवेट जेट।
वेयर इट एयरपोर्ट
Where else? Hyderabad.
इन आवर सर्विस में भी एयरपोर्ट शिलोंग একটা আছে আপনার
শিলং একটা তো আগে তো জানতাম না শিলং এর এটা আছে, পরে জানছি।
মানে নাম মানে শিলোং এ
మన airport చాలా పెద్దది కదా.
কি এখানে দুই পাহাড় মাঝখানে মজা লাগে নিচে আর শিলং টু এয়ারপোর্ট হেলিকপ্টার সার্ভিস
చాలా పెద్దది. వాళ్ళు కూడా పెద్దది. వాళ్ళు కూడా పెద్దది
Maybe
కదా.
fast, you're getting
48 मिनट पे जाएंगे
Try that.
share.
ठीक है। All right. So this is here you can see फिर से आपको ये करना पड़ेगा। देखो। See, node 1, node 2 up. Storage, it's already there.
Sir, where you went? How can we see that?
After configuration only you will get this kfc.tesla.com.
Directly it will come.
Just click on, just expand this, you will get these things. Done? Now the main thing, how we will know that, how to check if one node is down, how it will change to the second node. So for that we need to install DHCP in both the nodes. बस DHCP install करके रख, no need to configure it. Manage add roles, next, DHCP, add features, next, install.
And two nodes.
Both nodes or जितने भी nodes हो. I'm not sure whether it will work or not.
I have files. I don't get from school.
One file.
टेस्ट कैसे करते थे DHCP से? That's why you should have a regular practice. Otherwise, the small part you will forget. And also, you have created a cluster set on, right? How you will see that? सबसे पहले I have logged in through user, not administrator. यहाँ पे दिक्कत आएगा.
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लम ना है बस, बाकी सब ठीक है. यहाँ प्रॉब्लम. You can see here node 1 administrator, so we cannot commit. So close this. Sign out. So that's why whenever you are going to practice storage, node 1, node 2, all should have administrator account. That means main DC account, not their user account. Login, then do the configuration. Otherwise, in here you need to again sign out, then again sign in through that user. It's very difficult. So administrator @tesla.com. Give the password.
Yes, it's done. It's done. Yeah.
Nice.
Now it's coming. Commit करो, close करो. Note 2 में जाओ. Complete. Oh, cool. Next. मैं सोच रहा हूँ DHCP से कैसे करते हो, दिमाग में चल रहा है. पासवर्ड रॉन्ग है. ओ, कैसे करते हैं?
Monday morning, we will come to send off. Arrange one cab.
क्या बात है, वाह. कैब भी हम ही अरेंज करें.
Permanently sending.
इरादा वही है.
Permanently sending.
क्या हुआ ये बार बार, ये तो हो गया.
So Saturday night, book one hotel, we will do party, and Sunday morning we will send.
Then after that वजह से पार्टी वार्टी हो गया, पेट वेट भर के पूरा सो गए. नेक्स्ट डे वो लोग
Like this.
10 बजे बोले उठे. कितना बजे? 10 बजे. ओहो आज तो फ्लाइट था.
No, option is given, sir. We have to change dates.
So what, I will change the date.
Change for Monday.
Oh,
There also is there in the dates.
कहाँ था यार, कहाँ से फोन करते थे. Now to test, right, whether it works or not, go to roles, right click. ठीक है, configure role. It will come high availability wizard. That means high availability means if it goes down, which one is the highest availability that is there in that cluster. High availability HA, which we say HA or DRS, what we say. So next, DHCP server. Next, give a name, for example, my DHCP. I no need. I will give this DHCP. And for this DHCP also, we need to provide one IP. So 30. Next, both the cluster or any one cluster, no matter whatever you select. Next, it will configure everything. Now we will test. So here you can see my DSV status pending. It's on node 2. If node 2 goes down, it should automatically translate it into node 1. तो वो कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले एक चीज दिखा देते हैं. If you go to local server, you will see some new things here. It should come. ये देखो.
Yes, sir.
Cluster name, cluster object. Correct? In node 2 also you will see the same thing. This will the identification of the clusters, which is there, and which cluster it belongs is. Now let's see how we will see the change. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस जाओ इसको डिसेबल कर दो. Right click, network sharing, adapter, disable both. अगर निक कार्ड ही नहीं रहेगा तो क्या configuration? What network will be? Correct? Now let's say node 2 is down. Now let's see how will it change to node 1 or not. ये देखो हो गया. Automatically change हो गया. This what happens in real time. All services are deployed like that. कहीं पे कुछ गया, automatically transfer to another server, and in the meantime you configure maintenance जो करने का. ये होता है failover clustering. मतलब if in a cluster if anything fails, it will transfer to another node. Clear? Done? Finished? So MCSA
खत्म कर दिया.
the end.
चलो पार्टी करेंगे.
चलो.
Can I stop recording, sir?
Yes. Stop recording. Online. Whoever is there. Who are there? Ugan, Venkat, Siddharth. MCSA paper is done. All papers finished. Now it's your work to practice.
Ask Google which paper is completed today.
So, good luck. So, bye.